Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design old mobile wallpaper in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and set canvas size to classic mobile resolution. Fill the background with a solid color or gradient. And import textures like pixels, noise, paper or grain. Set blending mode of textures layers to overlay or multiply. Add geometric shapes or pixel style patterns. Use the gradient tool with radical style for a soft old school glow. Insert vintage icons or small cliparts for decorations. Apply color overlay with muted tones like brown, teal, and gray. Use the text tool to add style typography. Add layer style stroke for a pixel border effect. Reduce image sharpness slightly for a classic low res feel. Duplicate